that.
Back on the water. I love being on the water.
Oh yeah.
In this episode of Sailing Zingaro, you will see majestic mountains, the most beautiful islands, sunsets, and lots of me. Hello, the YouTubes. You have spoken and we have listened. As the crew of Zingaro, we have heard you talk about you do not want to see the captain anymore. It's only the Kim. So that is all you get. 100% the Kim. Me. So I hope you enjoy this episode and leave a comment below if you want to see more of the captain, because he's very upset.
Sunset in Colombia. Oh shit. I almost fell. Well now. We're going wing on wing right now. So you probably can get a better idea with this angle. Yeah, so one sail on each side. Oh, that's such a cool shot. Sunset in Colombia! I want red sails. I want red sails!
Just woke up in a little bay in Tintipán. We came in last night and it's really pretty. We went out to like a little hostel on an island last night that was really fun. And today I woke up and these guys brought some coconuts. What you doing, bro? Gracias por la langosta.
Muy bien.
So today I've been on the boat for 4 months already, and I thought I'd just type my thoughts on cruising and boats. It's been my first experience on a boat at all, in total. Like, I've never been on a different boat before. Colombia has been great so far. Cartagena was an amazing city. We had a lot of fun. We are right now in this beautiful bay, Tintipán it's called, I think. It's several islands full of mangroves, which means full of bugs, mosquitoes, everything that bites. The captain's been quite crazy about it all the time here. He's been imitating flies to kill them. That's exactly what he's doing right now. Actually. I know you're crazy, but it's getting worse.
I hate flies. They're laughing at me.
Oh, look at that! I'm going crazy with this stuff.
They disappear. As soon as I get this in my hand, they can freaking sense it.
The best part so far about Tintipán has been the plankton, the phosphorescent plankton. It looks as if your skin was on fire underwater. And we tried to capture it with the GoPro, but all you can see is black. What else? Oh, I've been spearfishing. James tried to teach me spearfishing in this lagoon here in Tintipán.
This is a perfect lagoon to see the shining plankton.
The visibility in the lagoon was horrible, but a lot of fish and a lot of crazy plants going on there in the lagoon. I caught dinner, but I thought it was a triggerfish, but it was a angelfish. They all kind of look the same to me at this point. We still ate it. It was okay. What are you talking about? It's not the gills. This is the cheek, right underneath his eyeball. Look.
Show me.
This. Ta-da! This is the best part of the fish, my dad says.
You still can't find where it is, though. That could be the gills.
No, the gills are here.
Was that the best part?
Definitely. You need to eat local I mean, that's the cheapest way to go. I mean, it's plantains in this case of Colombia, and ron abuelo. I really need to improve my freediving skills so that I can get dinner more often. That's our project for the next days. Finding clear water to freedive and spearfish and repair the dinghy. The dinghy looks horrible right now. Like the seats are all broken. We're gonna go later when the sun goes down a little. We're gonna go to Tintipán, to El Islote, and we hope that the water there is a little more clear. There's like an anchorage there.
Shadows settle on a place that you left. Our minds are troubled by the emptiness. Destroyed in middle, it's a waste of time. From the perfect start to the finish line. And if you're still breathing, you're the lucky one. 'Cause most of us are heaping through corrupted lungs, setting fire to our insides for fun, collecting names of the lovers that
Look at this crazy girl.
the lovers that went wrong, the lovers that went wrong, the lovers that went wrong.
Really?
I thought it was a great idea. But there's nothing to see here. No? No. A lot of sea stars. That's it.
Well.
Let's go to Islota.
Okay, I'm gonna wait until the sun goes down just a little bit. It's still a little too. Oh, it's hot. We just got some really good drone footage. I almost crashed the drone. It is a beautiful day. Behind us is the Isle of Islote. It's the second most populated island and per square meter in the world. I think it was the first for a long time, but maybe it just got beat. That's what I heard. Check it out. You can't really capture it good on this camera because of the lens, but I'm going to take some drone footage of it. It's a beautiful place. Yeah. Beautiful. Turn your head to the right.
We'll tell you more about Islote, the way of living, and extraordinary conditions on that island in the next episode.
Islote was pretty cool. They had an aquarium and just people everywhere, people on top of people. So, as in every video, we have an announcement. The wonderful Kimmi has made new shirts, and I freaking love them, and you guys are gonna love them. So this is the image that she drew up, and this is the image that Bonfire came up with. And we love it, and that's gonna be on the back of the shirt, and then this image is gonna be on the front of the shirt.
The campaign is launched, that's the news.
The campaign is launched, and they are for sale. So if you have one of these shirts, we want pictures of you in the shirt. We're gonna rapidly go through them on our next video. So
Maybe.
please send us an email with a picture, or put it on Instagram and hashtag SVZingaro.
Sailing Zingaro.
Hashtag sailing Zingaro, or what should the hashtag be?
I don't know, come up with a hashtag and then use the hashtag and tell us you use it so that we can find the picture.
Yeah, that'll be real easy. I think my way was easier with just the email.
Whatever.
Whatever, I don't know how to do that. But anyway, I want to put pictures of you guys up on our video, like cyclotherm really fast, because I think it's awesome that so many people bought shirts. I think we sold like 200 of them. So check out the new ones, they're super cool.
Right.
Thank you. Bye. I am the one that's the star. Do you see the sunset behind me? I thought not. You don't need the captain. The captain is only for sailing the boat.